In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Google Calendar view preferences in Google Chrome. If your calendar layout doesn't look the way you expect, or if your usual view has changed, don't worry. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to manually adjust your settings so Google Calendar opens in a clear and familiar format. We'll be setting the default view layout to week, which is a great option if you want a balanced view of your schedule without seeing too much or too little at once. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to Google Calendar. Make sure the calendar page is fully loaded before moving on, so all the menu options are available and easy to access. If you're already signed in, you should see your normal calendar dashboard on the screen. Once you're in Google Calendar, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a gear-shaped icon, which is where the settings and display options are located. Click that gear icon to open the menu. A small drop-down list will appear with several options related to how your calendar works and how it appears. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for Google Calendar, where you can control a variety of display and behavior preferences. Since we're focusing specifically on the layout, take a moment to locate the section that controls your view settings. In the settings area, find the option for your default view. This setting determines which calendar layout opens automatically when you return to Google Calendar. To reset your view preference manually, change the setting to week. This view is especially useful because it lets you see your appointments and events across several days at once, making it easier to plan ahead while still keeping the schedule readable. After selecting week as your default view layout, your preference should update automatically. In most cases, there's no separate save button required, but it's always a good idea to pause for a second and make sure the setting has actually changed before leaving the page. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Google Calendar view preference in Chrome by switching the default layout to week. If the calendar still doesn't look right afterward, refreshing the page can help apply the update more clearly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.